Obviously on the blue circle, there's the eye of Hurricane Idalia. So we are about 10 miles from the outer edge of the wall. All right, so
Tampa's underwater.
I remember somebody telling you that was going to happen.
Yeah, Bayshore is completely flooded out. The Courtney Campbell Causeway is completely underwater.
My truck is getting rocked right now.
I wonder what it would be like to go above the storm. I don't mean to ask that type of question.
So how bad did it get down there? Did it get bad? Just a lot of water, right? It's funny with this.
I'm at the bottom. I'm the furthest south out of everybody. It's not too bad over here. It's a little rainy, a little windy. My pond in the backyard is still not full. Not too bad. Some thunder, some lightning.
Gotcha. For those of you that don't know who that is in front of me on Tornado Crew, that is Mr. Mike Boylan from Mike's Weather Page. So this is downtown Perry. Oh, you see the flag? Here comes something flying across the road. Oh, it's a palm frond. Something over here by the railroad tracks. Oh, now things are starting to come flying. Part of a roof right there.
I'm ready to see a cow.
Yeah, so things are really starting to pick up. I don't know if you can see it raining sideways. The palm fronds are flying by. The side of the eye wall has not reached us yet. Oh, that was a good. Oh, I just lost the bed cover on my truck. It's flying up. I got to go find a spot and fix it if I can. Let's see. Let's see, the winds are blowing this way, so if I pull in here really fast and fix it, hopefully. I'll be right back. I don't know if it broke it or if it just came undone. I'll bet if I sit right here long enough, that camper right there will tip over. I am in the eye wall now. turn this a little bit. You can see and the wind is coming at my side. I'm gonna have to move. Oh man. Whoa! Hold on. I gotta move. Whoa! Are y'all still there? Okay. Yeah, it's just I'm losing signal. Oh man. This is the worst it's been right here. Trees flying by. Wow. Holy cow! There's debris hitting my windshield. Other phone.
Boom, roasted.
Now when I chased Ian, it stayed up the whole time, but it won't let me start a live broadcast right now. So I don't even have, I wonder if I can get radar on it. starting to calm down a little bit. Or at least I thought it was. I do not have radar. Change directions here in a second. Where can I go and still get a good picture? That trailer made it. There's part of the tree. There's two more parts of the tree. Another big part of the tree. One of the Walmart signs. Hold on. Walmart sign, more trees. Wow. These are all storm chasers. Parking lot's about flooded. Here's the dude standing outside. You want me to go outside? You want me to go outside? No, I'll just leave the camera right. Oh, look, this dude's getting blown over. He's doing the Jim Cantori. You picked the wrong wind gust. Oh, look out! That shows how hard it's blowing right now. It blew him off his feet. Oh, he's down again. Oh! Yeah, I'd get back in too if I were you. Oh no! Wow! Oh, there goes that tree. More of that tree just went. There we go. Oh, this is huge right here. Right here.
Oh my God.
All right, that was bad. I lost a window. was huge. Wow.
Yeah, did you say you lost the window?
Yep. My rear passenger side window blew out. Let's see, where can I go to huddle up here? The rest.
That was insane. Did the gentleman get into his car safely?
I don't know the answer to that. I was ducking from glass. I got glass everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
There. There's my window. All the glass in the back. All the trees are coming down. I need to figure out a way.
That is crazy.
Yeah. Let's see. How can I? Try and go over here. Wonder if anybody has some duct tape. Hello? Hello?
Hey,
Hey.
Fox News wants to do an interview with you at 3 p.m. I sent you the number.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Look at your text messages. I sent you the number there. You can contact that lady.
All right, hold on.
You sent a message through the Facebook message thing.
Okay. I don't have your text yet. Things are very spotty. Are you there? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hey.
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 I'll send. What's that?
I don't have a text message yet, but because everything's so spotty.
Okay. I'm gonna send her your phone number.
Okay.
Okay. All right. We might get some internet back, maybe not. I don't know. Depends on what's all down.
It's
Okay.
very spotty, like like our call before just dropped.
Right. Right.
So at 3 o'clock, huh?
It says 3 p.m. They want to do an interview.
Okay.
So they might have you out there, with some damage and stuff.
Yeah.
So.
How'd they find out about me?
Through the internet.
Okay.
Stuff gets around. So.
Stuff gets around.
I'm starting to get big,
Yeah. I guess.
So I'm gonna give her my number and your number, and she'll probably want you to do some live, showing damage and stuff.
Okay.
So that'll be cool.
Yeah, man.
They'll be out with Tornado Crew Storm Chaser Dale Kimberg. All right, bye.
See ya. Oh, watch out for the wires there, buddy. Come on, go ahead. More power lines down. This is a telephone cable. Power lines here. My one phone has no service at all. Tree down into that house right there. All these, the trees are just snapped about 15 feet in the air, just snapped in half. Tree in the middle of the road. That tree is 50 feet from where it broke off. Look at all of this. Oh my goodness. Y'all good?
Yes, sir. Good.
Okay,
We can take no more tour around here. Everybody's good. Thank you.
great. Glad you made it good.